Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover all deleted YouTube channels. So the first step you simply need to do is to open any browser and you need to search for YouTube help, and you need to open this website. You have two websites. You can open anyone. You can open contact us or you can open YouTube help. So let me open YouTube help. And here you need to describe your issue. You simply need to write here recover YouTube channel, recover deleted YouTube channel. Click here and this page will open. Then you need to click on three bars and then you need to click on submit feedback. Click on next, and here you need to describe your issue, and if you have any screenshot that support your issue, add that as well and click on send. Then the YouTube team will contact with you in 24 to 48 hours and help to recover your deleted YouTube channel. So this is the complete process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.